Hop into the 2017 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power liftgate, fog lamps, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Get the quality and safety you deserve when you take the wheel of this Tucson. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.